How dangerous is ovarian cancer? Ovarian cancer are often called a silent killer, not a silent killer, and for a very good reason. And like many other cancers, it usually develops without obvious symptoms in the early stages. Actually, all oncology starts without obvious symptoms. Anyway, we have to understand that the ovaries are deep inside the pelvis, so even a growing tumor can go unnoticed for a long time. Early on, symptoms may seem harmless at all. Things like, bloating, changes in appetite, feeling full quickly, or mild abdominal discomfort. Many women mistake these signs for digestive issues or stress. By the time the symptoms become noticeable and persistent, the cancer has often already spread beyond the ovaries, which makes it much harder to treat, to manage. The danger of ovarian cancer lies in a late detection, while cancers like breast or cervical cancer can be caught early through screening tests such as mammograms or pap smears. There is no reliable screening test for ovarian cancer in the general population at all. That's why around 70% of cases are diagnosed at advanced stages, when treatment becomes more complicated and survival rates are lower. But we've got some good news. New advances in medicine, including targeted therapies, immunotherapy, and genetic testing, are improving outcomes. For example, women with certain genetic changes, mutations like BRCA1 and BRCA2 can be identified early and even take preventive measures to significantly lower their risk, yes. Now we recommend gynecologists, not we, doctors, gynecologists, recommended that every woman, especially those over 45 or with a family history of ovarian or breast cancer, pay close attention to their bodies. If bloating, pelvic, or changes in digestion last more than a few weeks, it's important to talk to a doctor and get checked. So yes, ovarian cancer, unfortunately, God forbid, is dangerous, but knowledge and vigilance save lives. The earlier it's found, the better the chances of successful treatment. Of course, awareness is the key to prevention, and it starts with understanding that even small changes in your body deserve attention. So, God bless you.